Hello learners. Welcome to this free Microsoft Excel course, so without any further ado let's begin. Hello everyone. We learned in last video about countBlank function, which calculate how many cells are blank in our data. If not, I have pasted the link in description. But what if we want to check if cell is blank or not, and accordingly it will give result, either it's true or not. That's where we will learn about ISBLANK function, which return the value as true if cell is empty. Let's check how the formula is framed. We will use equal to, type is blank, then bracket open and select the cell we want to check and put a close bracket. Now, let's see this in action. Equal to, then type is blank and press tab for opening bracket. Now we'll select the cell I want to check and put closing bracket. The value it return is false since my cell contains a error syntax, which means cell is not empty, therefore returning value as false. Now we'll drag down the cells using shortcut Ctrl D. If you see, all highlighted cells which are empty have a value true next to it. That's how you can use ISBLANK function. That's wrap up for this video. Do check out the playlist for more. Thank you for watching and hit that subscribe button.